when in Tagaytay and if you're looking for a samgyeopsal, dahil perfect na perfect ang kumain ng samgyeopsal sa Tagaytay, you have to try Meet Here Unlimited Korean Barbecue sa Tagaytay branch nila. So they have different branches. They have one in Laguna and they even have a few branches in Manila. But since andito kami and we're craving for samgyeopsal, we tried it. Syempre, una namin nakita tong soju na to, diba? But anyway, of course, nakita namin na sobrang linis nila. And then, ito na nga yung packages nila. They have 399, 499, and they also have 649. So, sobrang sulit lahat because kami, we tried yung 499 pesos nila, which is unlimited pork, beef, and chicken with unlimited side dishes. Ang sarap ng side dishes nila, guys. I swear, talagang malasa lahat. And ito yung favorite ko, yung fish cake nila na halos nakailan ako nito. And next, the star of the show is yung unlimited pork, chicken, and beef nila. So, they prepared everything for us right away. Sobrang bilis lang ng service nila. And talagang malinis yung pagkaka-prepare nila. And tip lang, alam ko na only lahat, which is pork, chicken, and beef, but you have to try yung kanilang moksal and yung samgyeopsal nila. So, ito, sarap na ako. Syempre, best paired with hot rice yan. And talagang nakailang oras kami dito. Also, we ordered seafood as well. And ito, the best to, yung mozzarella balls nila. Must try din talaga to. And if pupunta kayo dito, please sulitin nyo tong unli cheese nila. Dahil sobrang hindi nakakaumay. Hindi kami nag-OA. Sobrang sarap talaga niya. Perfect sa pork, beef, chicken, or even yung seafood nila. So, I mean, look at that, diba? Until the very end, talagang sinimot namin yung cheese. At syempre, inubos namin yung karne kasi bawal mag-take out. Kung hindi, may 50 pesos fine. So, you have to take note of that as well. Oh yes, kung mapapadayo po kayo, visit Meet Here Unlimited Korean Barbecue in Tagaytay.